I'm going to remove all the aftermarket lighting and chrome. I think it'll make it easier for me to clean the chrome, repair lights as necessary, and then like for the trunk here, I'd be able to buff and get the trunk, this lower portion of the trunk, much better, much easier, I should say. This is aftermarket as well, these lights. Now this is stock. Now I need to get new, well, we get a new reflector. You gotta get a whole new, which is gonna be, I do not know how easy that will be, because I don't think I can find these regular like Partzilla. I think I could, Partzilla, I could find that one, but not this one. So, gonna get rid of all this, get rid of that, go back to stock. I'll be able to access the saddlebags and buff the paint on them. And see how she looks stock. I may or may not put all this aftermarket chrome and lights on. I don't know yet. We'll see. Maybe I'll leave them off for a while and then put them on at a later date. Oh, sorry. This as well. I know there's some holes here, but I can cover them up. I may or may not take this off. Actually, I will take it off for buffing purposes. So, yes, I'll take this off. I'm going to take this top one off first. So, we open the trunk. There we go. Okay, that's right. Comes with 3 helmets. Got the full face. Small, medium. Alright. Now we've got these. I don't know if that's dot or not. Doesn't say. Okay. Now I'm going to remove these 2. Then I'm going to remove those 2, and that should fall away. Well, shouldn't fall. Yeah. Big blister. Okay. There we go. There it is. I'm going to clean up this wiring. Get it all proper. Look at all this. This is horrible. This is horrible. Let's go ahead and remove these. Now here's the trunk with no aftermarket. Oops. I'm going to take this off of the tail brake light. Needs a lot of work to get better, or I'm just not going to keep it. That I think I'm going to get rid of. Really don't like it. But for right now, oh, that's what it is. All right, I've gotten this thing off now. Look at it, some lenses there. Plus also to light the license plate that's underneath. Okay, that bulb is okay. I can see both filaments. This one I can see the one filament is broken. Looks like the low beam, the high beam, the brake light looks good. Brake looks good there, but and the tail looks good there. Okay, so there we go. A little loose. 1982. To be honest, who knows when they were actually made. I don't need these tight. I'm just going to take it back off to replace that bulb. Okay. Still got some wires to go. That's fine. Here's what she looks like without pretty much any of the aftermarket stuff. Besides the tailpipes. I'm not going to shorten those at this point. So if I put the other stuff back on, then it's going to be too short. I have an issue with the tail light. The original mount is gone, so I have to acquire one or fabricate one. So let's see how we take this. These happen to be 1/4 inch. Remember, this thing was upgraded here in the US, so I'll do that one. Let's see, I'll do that. Yeah, kind of thought so. I wanted to try, but this guy is in the way. I have to undo that nut, because here is the bracket for this. Okay, let's see if I can loosen it. Alright, good. Okay, cool. That was going to this one, so do that. One right here, one right here, one right here, one right here. Okay. Undo that one. Get rid of this one. Let's take it right off. Smoke it down. There we go. Pre-catch back on. So here's the front end. Now there's still that disc covering the disc. I should say the rotor. But that has to be undone. I can only remove that when I remove the axle bolt. This is stock. I believe that was added on.